Hello, my name's Ayla Roberts. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a vlog for you that is me braving the shave in public. So let's get started. I have decided that I am going to be a bit balls to the wind today, and I'm going to go out and take my dog for a walk without my wig on, which probably doesn't seem like a big deal, but it feels like one because it's out my comfort zone. I've never gone out without hair before, so. But you know what? I have my head shaved for a reason and I love it, and I know a few other people love it, so all of you who've given me positive feedback, you've given me the confidence I need to go and try and do this. So we're gonna go out wigless. So I did it, guys. I'm out and about and so far so good. It's alright. There's squirrels and birds and it's all very serene. I'm cheating a little bit because there's no one really around because it's like 11:15 on a weekday, so. But so far so good. This is part one. Part two is I'm actually going to go to the doctor's later where there's going to be lots of people. Lots and lots of people to see me. I mean, I've seen a couple of people and they've seen me, but so far it's been fine. So we've come to the end of our walk, really. Just on our last little bit. And yeah, I had one guy who actually changed direction and come over and talked to me, but I have no idea why that was. He seemed a bit lonely. He was an older gentleman. I think he was just happy to see somebody else out and about who had the dog, who looked friendly and like they would talk to him. So we're gonna carry on back once my little one finishes picking Daisy. So, hey guys, I am just going into the doctor's now and there's going to be lots of people, so we'll see how this goes. So I've just come out the doctor's and I'm rocking in my red shades again, and I don't know what I was expecting, but nobody really cared, to be quite honest. Nobody cared. So I'm going to go to the garden centre with my little one and get a cup of tea and maybe cake, because he's been really good. But he's had enough now. So, see you in a bit. Well, that is it, everybody. I am now officially home. I'm really tired, but that has nothing to do with this vlog. It's just other things. It was kind of cool when we got to the garden centre. There was a guy there with an owl sanctuary guy, and he'd brought an owl with him, Biscuit, the barn owl. And my son got to hold the owl and stuff. It was awesome. Stroke the owl, it was really cool. Went in, had tea and cake, and then came home. So yeah, the weird thing was, as I was driving in my car to and from places, I've got the windows down because obviously it's so hot. It might not look it, but it's so hot. And I seem to be getting more looks in my car from people walking down the street than I actually got from anyone that I was in front of. So if you've had your head shaved and like me, you're really self-conscious and you're worried that you're going to go out and everyone's going to stare at you and it's going to be this horrible, horrible, mortifying experience, don't be. It really isn't. It's nothing. Nobody treats you any different. That's a bit of a lie. They treat you a little bit differently. If anything, I thought I looked a bit more thuggish, like, you know, Bertha from Cell Block C kind of thing, but apparently I look more friendly and approachable because I seem to have been approached and spoken to by more people today than I normally am. So yeah, go for it. Don't avoid braving the shade in public, because it just feels really silly now that I was ever worried about it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's only part of the things I do on this channel, so have a little look through the rest of the content. You might see something else you like. If you want to see a video on why I decided to shave my head, click that card and it will take you to that video. And if you would like to see a video on what it was like to have my head shaved, the whole experience of having it done, then click this card and it will take you to that video. I hope that you enjoyed this video though. I hope that you will subscribe, and if you do subscribe you might want to consider clicking the notification bell, because YouTube is being a little strange at the moment, and if you don't click the bell you don't always get notified. So if you really love my content that much that you want to make sure that you're like there when it's released, then I would click the bell. If you're returning to my channel as a long-time subscriber, then thank you again for your support. Take care, and I will see you all soon on my next video. Bye.